Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be showing you how I created a really cute tissue holder. I think it's pretty simple and it doesn't take too long, honestly, so here we go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do to make this cat tissue holder is I made a cat shape out of just shapes that I was able to use from the computer. So I'm now going to take it and I'm going to trace it 2 times onto 2 different pieces of felt, and I'm just going to use this silver Sharpie to trace the shape, and then I will trace this cat shape and cut it out. Okay, so they are now both cut out. So what I'm going to do is I'm kind of just going to lay them on top of each other to see if they lay pretty well. And it looks like they do. So I'm going to figure out which one is going to be the front, or basically where the tissues are going to come out of. I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to I'm going to cut a slit into it. Kind of like that. Actually, maybe a little bit bigger. Alright, there we go. That's better. And then I'm going to lay them down like this, and I'm just going to hand stitch all the way around. I guess you could use a sewing machine, but since I used felt, I'm just going to hand stitch it. So I will be back when it is completely done. Okay, so I finished sewing all around, and I think it looks pretty cute. I'm very happy with it, and I wanted to use a thread that would stick out just because that's what I wanted. I wanted the thread to stick out, and I just wanted it to be like a silhouette of a cat. Now, if you recreate this, you can definitely add whatever you want. You could add like a bow onto the ears. You could definitely add eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Like I said, I just wanted it to be a silhouette. So now you can just take a box of no, this will not fit a box of tissues. No, you can take a pack of tissues and you just slide it into the flap that you created in the beginning. Now, if you try and put it in and it is too small, you can just cut more felt to make it a bit bigger, but mine actually works really, really well, and I'm really happy with it. It is a cute way to carry around the tissues. And like I said, you could just open it and peel this back, and right here are the tissues, or you could just stuff the tissues in here by themselves. I just thought using a pack would be nicer. So there you go. I'm super happy with it, and I think it looks really, really cute. So that is how I created the tissue holder. Now, you can use any shape you want. It doesn't have to be an animal. It could be like an actual shape, like a circle or a square, or it could be anything. And I just think they're really actually pretty simple, and it turned out pretty cute, so I'm very happy with it. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!